So this is your motion, Mr. Linhout. I have read it. Is there anything you wish to add to it before we hear from Ms. King?
No, sir.
All right. You received a copy of it, did you not, Ms. King?
I did.
Your thoughts, please.
I do not feel that him having the girl's social security numbers is appropriate considering we haven't really even established a relationship with him since he has been out of prison. We have had the visitations. A lot of them have been canceled on both of our parts just due to scheduling conflict, at least on my end, and the girls' schedules, and past issues with money problems on his end with bad things. I'm sorry, I didn't want to say robbery, but and I do not feel safe or comfortable with the girls staying with him overnight, let alone going on the weekends anywhere that's not the supervised visits we were doing at Journeys. And I can say that the girls would not feel comfortable with that either.
Well, I'll give you the last word, Mr. Linhout.
Okay, so I have a full-time job. What was in my past is in my past. That was 20 years ago, 25 years ago. Two, the Social Security numbers. I can't add my daughters to my life insurance policy, and I can't add them to my 401k or my Roth IRA insurance policies as my beneficiaries without their Social Security numbers. As far as the Journeys goes, I feel I do not get quality time with my kids there because you are limited about what you can talk about, what you're allowed to do with them. Journeys is not geared towards kids my daughter's ages. We are consistently told to quiet down. Please refrain from playing with the toys too noisily. So I'm asking for 1 weekend a month so I can get to know my kids better. I cannot have a good relationship with them if I am consistently forced to go to a visitation place that is preventing me from being able to talk to my kids about anything.
Yeah.
Not only that, but the fact that I have to keep paying $60 a week to see my kids, plus bring them food on top of the child support that I'm paying every week. You know, it's.
Yeah, I get it. One question I do have, Ms. King, is this. The order for supervised parenting time was entered, I believe, on January 9 of 2024. So it's about a year and a half old. Is that your understanding as well?
Yes, I believe so. I will, but yes.
Okay. So that is somewhat on the outer extreme of supervised parenting time. Usually, when I order supervised parenting time at an agency, it's not designed to be a permanent situation, but it's designed to have some safety while the other side is maybe going through AA or NA or going through domestic violence classes, something. So is there anything that Mr. Linhout is supposed to be working to or towards so that at some point this supervised parenting time requirement would go away, or was it intended just to be a permanent fix to all this?
I can honestly say that I showed up to the courthouse a day late and the motion was already filed that we apparently had to go to Journeys.
Guys, the judge sets the stage and tension builds fast. The motion is on the table and both sides prepare for battle.
And the only reason why we kept going was how much I work.
Okay. Your signal's cutting out.
Sorry.
It's okay.
The girls have expressed a lot that they don't want to go on a lot of nights, especially school nights. Both the girls are in band and in Bible club. When school starts, they've done this for the last 3 years, and it's a lot for them. And we understand that Peter wants to be in their lives. They don't really know him, and the structure that I have set up for them in their lives, they don't really understand what's going on.
Okay. I think she has lost her signal. If I had more of these to do, if I didn't have more of these to do, I could wait around. That is why.
Sorry, hello?
Yeah. I'm about ready to wrap up, Ms. King. I pretty well know what I'm
Okay.
going to do. So what I'm going to do is this. I don't believe that Journeys is supposed to be a permanent solution. But I want to know more about this before I do anything. So I am going to find that there are proper cause or change of circumstances to review the issue of parenting time, not make any changes today because I can't. I have to get some information first. Because I do find poor communication, lack of cooperation between parents does constitute a change of circumstance to revisit parenting time. The relevant best interest factors are found at MCL 722.23. J, because it really diminishes each parent's ability to encourage a close and continuing parent-child relationship with the other parent. So I am going to send the issue of parenting time to the front of the court for an investigation and recommendation. At that point, then I can see what all the issues are after the parties have had the chance to speak with an investigator and that give the investigator whatever documentation they feel is appropriate. Now, the last question I have is, Mr. King or Ms. King, are you currently working?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Mr. Lindhout, are you currently working?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So the fee for that is $300 or $150 a piece. I will do the order of reference right now, as a matter of fact, and it will be at the front of the court's office probably within a couple of days. So you need first to make sure that the front of the court has your correct information, because if they don't forward mail, that could result in a big problem for you, and I don't want that to happen. So if there's any doubt in your mind, I don't care if you're 99.9% sure, just give them a call, go down there and ask them what address they have for you, because it's so much easier than the other route. So you'll be hearing from the front of the court, and they will look at whatever you give them. They will talk to whoever you ask them to, and then they will make a recommendation, which the parties are free to accept, or they're free to say, nah, I don't really like that. And then we have to have a full-blown evidentiary hearing after that. So I trust if you both are thinking about retaining counsel, it would probably be a good time to do that. Mr. Linhout, is there anything further?
No, sir.
Ms. King, anything further?
No, sir.
All right, you both are all set with me. Have a great weekend, and we're adjourned. Thank you.
Thank you.
The gavel falls, guys. The judge orders review. No final win today. He sends it for investigation, leaving both sides in limbo for now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.